In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Facebook Meta Pixel to Squarespace website. By the end, you'll have your pixel connected so you can track visits, measure conversions, and optimize your ads with reliable data. Before we begin, have your Meta Pixel ID handy. It's the short string of numbers associated with your pixel in your Meta Events Manager. You only need that numeric ID for Squarespace's built-in integration, not any code snippets. Start in your Squarespace dashboard. Look down to the bottom left corner and click the Settings gear icon. This opens the main settings panel where you manage site-wide features. From there, select Marketing. The Marketing section centralizes your analytics and advertising connections so you don't have to paste code into your site manually. Inside Marketing, choose MetaPixel and Ads. This is the dedicated area for the Facebook Meta integration. It keeps everything tidy and reduces the risk of formatting errors you might see when adding custom code elsewhere. You'll see a field labeled MetaPixel ID. Click into that field and paste your numeric pixel ID. Double check that there are no spaces before or after the number. And make sure it's the pixel ID itself, not an access token and not the full script. If you manage multiple pixels, confirm you're using the one assigned to the ad account you plan to use for this website so your reporting stays consistent. Once the ID is in place, click Save. That one click activates the integration and pushes the connection live across your site. Give it a moment, sometimes a few minutes, for the change to propagate. A few quick tips while this updates. If you don't immediately see events populating in your ad tools, that's normal. Data can take a short while to appear. Ensure you're testing on a live page, not a preview, and avoid browser extensions that block tracking during setup. If Squarespace warns that the ID is invalid, it usually means there's an extra character or a missing digit. Recopy the ID from your source to be sure. And if you previously added any Facebook code in a custom code area, remove it to avoid duplicate events. Finally, keep privacy in mind. Inform visitors about tracking as required in your region and consider how consent preferences may affect when the pixel fires. A clear policy and proper consent handling help maintain trust and compliance. That's it. You clicked the settings icon, went to Marketing, opened MetaPixel and Ads, entered your MetaPixel ID, and saved. Your Squarespace site is now connected to Meta, and you're ready to make smarter, data-driven ad decisions.